Unlocking the Health Benefits of Aloe Vera, a comprehensive guide to safe consumption and preparation. Aloe vera, often referred to as the miracle plant, has gained immense popularity for its myriad health benefits, particularly when consumed correctly. This nutrient-rich plant is not only celebrated for its topical applications, but also for its potential to enhance overall well-being when ingested. With its impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, aloe vera can be a powerful addition to your diet. However, understanding the proper preparation methods and safe consumption practices is essential to maximize its health benefits while avoiding potential side effects. Nutritional profile of aloe vera. Aloe vera is packed with essential nutrients that contribute to its health-promoting properties. It contains a variety of vitamins, including vitamins A, C, E, and several B vitamins, which are vital for maintaining good health. Additionally, aloe vera is rich in essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, and potassium. One of the most significant aspects of aloe vera is its high antioxidant content, which helps combat free radicals in the body, thus reducing oxidative stress. Moreover, the gel from the plant is known for its digestive enzymes, which aid in the breakdown of sugars and fats, promoting healthy digestion. Choosing the right aloe vera plant. Not all aloe vera varieties are safe for consumption. It is crucial to select the correct species, specifically **Aloe barbadensis Miller **, which is recognized for its edible properties. Ornamental varieties should be avoided, as they may contain harmful compounds that can be detrimental to health. When purchasing aloe vera leaves, look for those that are green, firm, and free from mold or damage to ensure quality and safety. Preparation for safe consumption. Proper preparation is key to safely enjoying aloe vera. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to prepare aloe vera for consumption. 1. Rinse the leaf. Begin by rinsing the aloe vera leaf under cold water to remove any dirt or bacteria that may be present. 2. Trim the edges. Use a sharp knife to cut off the thorny edges along both sides of the leaf, ensuring safety while handling. 3. Remove the outer skin. Carefully slice away the green outer skin to reveal the translucent gel within. This step is crucial as the green skin contains compounds that can be irritating. 4. Be cautious of the latex layer. Beneath the green skin lies a yellowish layer known as latex, which contains aloe, a compound that can produce laxative effects and may cause digestive discomfort if consumed in excess. It is vital to rinse the gel thoroughly to eliminate any traces of latex. 5. Cut the gel. Once cleaned, cut the gel into small, manageable cubes for easy consumption. How to consume aloe vera. Once the gel is prepared, there are several delicious ways to incorporate aloe vera into your diet. Raw gel. The gel can be eaten as is, although it has a mild, slightly bitter taste. Many prefer to consume it raw to harness its full health benefits. Blended drinks. Blend the gel with water or natural fruit juices for a refreshing drink. Adding honey or lemon can enhance the flavor. Smoothies. Incorporate aloe vera gel into your favorite smoothie recipes. It pairs well with fruits like mango and pineapple, which can help mask any bitterness while adding nutritional value. Detox water. Add aloe vera cubes to a jug of water along with cucumber slices, mint leaves, and lemon for a detoxifying beverage. Important dos and don'ts. To ensure a safe and beneficial experience with aloe vera, consider the following do's and don'ts. Start small. If you are new to consuming aloe vera, begin with a small amount to gauge how your body responds. Gradually increase the quantity as you become more comfortable. Use fresh gel. Always opt for fresh aloe vera gel to retain its nutritional content and avoid any additives. Store properly. If you prepare more gel than needed, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Avoid the latex. Never consume the yellow latex layer, as it can lead to digestive issues and may be harmful in large doses. Watch for side effects. While aloe vera has numerous benefits, excessive consumption can lead to side effects like diarrhea or dehydration. Choose quality products. Be cautious with commercial aloe vera products, as they may contain added sugars, preservatives, or chemicals that diminish the plant's natural benefits. Always select fresh gel or pure aloe vera products. Regular consumption benefits. Incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine can yield numerous health benefits. Digestive health. The enzymes in aloe vera help break down sugars and fats, promoting healthy digestion and potentially alleviating symptoms of acid reflux and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Immune support. The antioxidants found in aloe vera play a crucial role in strengthening the immune system by combating oxidative stress. Liver function. Aloe vera's natural compounds support liver function, aiding in the body's detoxification processes. Skin hydration. Consuming aloe vera can hydrate your skin from within, helping to reduce acne and promote a natural glow. Metabolism and weight loss. Aloe vera may improve metabolism and support weight loss efforts by reducing inflammation and aiding digestion. Aloe vera is a nutrient-rich plant that offers an array of health benefits when consumed correctly. By understanding the proper preparation methods, safe consumption practices, and the numerous advantages of regular intake, individuals can harness the full potential of aloe vera to enhance their well-being. Whether enjoyed raw, blended, or added to various recipes, the versatility and health-promoting properties of aloe vera make it a remarkable addition to any diet. Embrace the benefits of this miracle plant and enjoy the journey toward better health.